So you can see the box. Here you can see the box of this machine is a little higher than our DSS8. Okay, this is also our upgraded P52 hose crimping machine. This model, the motor, the pump, and also the cover is also upgraded. And the wheels of this machine is also top quality wheels. And for the details of this machine, you are welcome to come to us. We would like to send you more the specifications of this model for you. So you can compare our machines with other factories, so you can see the difference. That's why our factory, all the machines of our factory has CE certificate, and we also pass ISO certificate. So you may know that maybe on the outside of the machine are almost the same, but I can tell you that the inside of the machine are absolutely different.